Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's USDC update for Monday, 4th of July. And alright, so we are looking at a very similar pattern that we saw from uh, Luna Classic as well. I just want to see if the technical target for this rounded bottom was met or not. So we took the top here to the bottom, and yep, the technical target was really met. Now the thing is, you do have some sort of a continuation pattern here, and it seems like USDC is not done yet. So what I want to talk about today is relatively quite important for us to continue higher. So I just want to show you Luna Classic if that's something that you're holding as well. So I've already talked about the coin itself in detail, and you're looking for Luna Classic to make that some sort of a pennant here that you've already broken out of, and you're looking to actually continue higher. So both of these coins are actually making some very similar pattern right now, and why not? I do think it's very easy in the next maximum, let's say maximum, this is just my own opinion about this. I don't know if I'm gonna be right or wrong. It's just a very big guess based on what do you call this, based on experience and observation, of course, of the charts, that within max 2 years, even it could be this year alone, you see USDC to $1. Okay, so I do want to see this thing going all the way back to $1. Now you can see it's already near the 1 cent. Okay, you already went near the 1 cent. It's only 10x, a 10x journey to go back to $1. Okay, so you've already met you've already done like almost half of the work, and half of the work is actually left. So if you look at it that way, if this is actually your bull pennant, which you've already broken out of, you can see it's very clear break of the bull pennant. The next technical target you're looking for is from there to there, and this takes you all the way up here, and that's going to be a technical journey to come up to the 0.7768. And boy, oh boy, I'm still holding this coin. I actually bought it down here, really down here. I'm already like 10x on it, and I'm looking to further make 10x. So if it does actually go back to $1, I'm already 100x up here. So if you guys, I don't know if you're on the Discord or not, but do join our Discord. The link is in the description of the video. If you just go to the description, you're going to look, number one, if you want to learn all of this trading course, because I've been updating this, you can check the trading course and buy it if you want to learn 18 hours of content, or just join the Discord for absolutely free. And from here, guys, I want to dive into the 4-hour time frame as well, so that we can see what's going on in the 4-hour time frame. So I'm just going to remove this drawing here, ugly looking drawing, just like that, and this one like that, and you can see that it's a very clear break to the upside, and that's really beautiful. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove some of these levels just like that, and boom, now we're back into the track, and I'm going to draw this one. Can you see that break? Yes, absolutely a very clear break right there. And then you have this symmetrical triangle coming in just like that. So yeah, so you can already see that the move is to the upside, right? So the intention is actually to make the prices go higher. Now at the same time, if you dive into the daily, then you have already broken out the symmetrical triangle, which looks pretty amazing. Now these are known as bull pennants, and when you look at bull pennants, you're actually going to find support and resistance to form a symmetrical triangle. We've already seen support and resistance on the 4-hour time frame, making that as upper resistance and the lower support. So pretty much symmetrical triangle has been formed out there, just the same way like Luna Classic has done it. So if I do show you Luna Classic very quickly, that's exactly what you have here. So if I do draw this very quickly right there, that's the break that you already want to see. You already broken out of it, and then you have this lower support coming in as well. So boom, something like that one. Amazing, right? So let's go back to USDC to BUSD. Now these are all upward scenario at the moment. I cannot actually be bearish. I'm not allowed to be bearish, especially, what the hell, guys? USDC, right? USDC to BUSD. I really hate this when coins do some weird stuff. Let me just undo everything, and yeah, USDC to BUSD right there. I'm just getting confused a little bit which one is the correct one. Anyways, now that you've moved a little bit higher, there is a stop loss that is always supposed to be actually placed. Okay, so first of all, is there are some few ways of tackling the downtrend. Let me actually remove this resistance out there, and let's bring this trend line here. All right, so based on this trend line, if you start to close below the trend line, then that will be a bad idea, and that will be a signal for you to close. So if you do try to come down like this, and potentially this can be a stop loss. Let's say if you don't want to set a very tight stop loss, one can be down here at the 5.2. Okay, so if you want to look for a stop loss, 5.2 is going to be a very logical place to place your stop loss. If you want to give it the biggest room to breathe to go higher, then the biggest stop loss, if let's say you're a swing trader, then one of the stop loss that I would have in my mind to not lose everything is going to be 0.04008497. By the end of the day, anything can happen, right? So you always have to have this in the back of your head, how much you want to lose and how much you're willing to lose. Okay, so far there's a little bit of like some double bottom right here, a pattern that has already formed, so you might just come down a little bit down to this level, and this could be an entry level if no one really took an entry level, if you want to put it that way, or maybe just you've already back tested it right over there and you're looking for a technical target from there to there. That's going to take you nearly up here to a very small mini trade that can actually be very quick, of 67 to 78. So that can be nice scalping opportunity. So what I'm going to say is you take this to there, that's going to be what, 16%, and that's not really bad. 16% is amazing in one day, right? Isn't it? So 16% to the upside, and I already told you about all this, stop losses and whatnot. So those places stop loss. Always have risk management. Don't just invest blindly into the coins and whatnot. Okay. So another thing is to dive into the weekly, because we already started Monday, and by the look of things, you might end up making something known as a 3 white soldiers. Okay. So if you do end up this week alone coming up and closing near the 0.25 at the 25 cents, then you are going to continue higher, because on a weekly time frame you're going to be so bullish. But we still have 7 more days to actually close the weekly time frame. So I'm looking for all my eyes are actually set on Luna Classic for the next 7 days, and I just want to really see in these 7 days how the hell we're going to perform. Now, finger crossed, I'm not bearish at it right now. I was expecting some deeper retracements to the downside, but I don't see any retracement at all. And now I do see a very big a very big wave coming in. I just cannot say how big it's going to be. It's just unbelievable. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.